Hi, this is Brew, and welcome to another brew review. Well, it's that time of year again, and I'm going to review tonight the Southern Tier 2Xmas Seasonal, and it's brewed in the tradition of the Swedish Glogg, which I believe is a mulled wine. And on the bottle it says it's an ale brewed with figs, orange peels, and spices, 2 varieties of hops, and 4 types of malts. Okay, and the brew date is 10/24/12, so now it's beginning of December. It should be fine, and the alcohol is 8% ABV. Okay. Good. A lot of cinnamon in this. Very, very spicy. Beautiful. Let's see what it's all about. Okay. Very nice color. Very, very nice. Small head, not even a half of a finger. It's like a dark tea color. Here's the bottle. Alright, the aroma is pretty strong. It's lots of cinnamon in this. Very spicy. And this is categorized as a herb spice beer by Beer Advocate. Okay. Now, this is very interesting. Mouthfeel is very carbonated, but in this case, it really suits the style of beer. It's an excellent mouthfeel. I generally don't say that, but mouthfeels depending on the style. But this mouthfeel is got a nice tang to it. You can feel it on the back of your tongue. It really suits the style of the beer. And you have to serve this cold, supposedly. I don't have my thermometer tonight, but it's probably about 45 or so. Ah, yes, and a nice spice on the back of the tongue. I get a beautiful spice. Some other things. It's a little malty, not very much. You see again what they said. Okay, the orange peel I definitely get. It is a little hoppy. I'm not getting the figs, but I'm definitely getting that acidic, or I should say citrusy orange peel, and yeah, the peels. You can taste those orange peels in it. You can taste the spices. Figs, I'm not getting it. And I think I read a review where somebody else didn't get that either. And as the beer's warming up, I'm getting even deeper spice. It's a beautiful seasonal. Very, very beautiful. This is nice. And I could drink this a lot. Okay. Nice melding of spices and fruit and the hops. It's a pretty good beer. Okay. So, I highly recommend this beer, and after the review I'll give you my brew thoughts about this. And Until the next time, a wonderful holiday season, and life is too short to drink bad beer. Cheers.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.